I'm making a molten metal and walnut end table. I started by putting the walnut slabs into a silicone mold with Delft casting clay on the bottom. I then melted down scrap pewter in my propane foundry at about 450 degrees. At this low of a temperature, I do have to pour the metal quickly before it starts cooling off, but it doesn't burn the casting clay or the live edge walnut. The metal on its own doesn't bond to the wood at all, so I rough up the edges on the metal and the wood and use epoxy resin to create that bond. I had to separate the two just slightly in order to pour enough resin in between. Sanding up to 400 grit, I removed all the excess and then applied the finish. Normally at this point I would start wet sanding and polishing the metal so that it's reflective, but I really wanted the pewter to stand out and not look like resin, so I went with a brushed metal finish. What I like most about this look is that it's still very eye-catching with how reflective it is, but definitely looks like metal. I'm thinking now we need to go larger.